Hello children, in this video we are going to study mathematics chapter 10, tenths and hundreds on page number 134. Children, here in this chapter we are going to learn all about decimals. Before going through the video children, let me give you the introduction of this chapter. Or children, the points that we are going to be discussing in this chapter and the terms that you have to keep in mind that we will go through first. The first point is a fraction can be written in decimal form. Second point is a decimal can be written as fractional form. Children, we will be discussing fractional form and decimal form further. Third point is the fraction in which denominators are 10, 100, 1000 are known as decimal fractions. See children, for example here 7 by 10, 13 by 100, 15,896 upon 1000. Here these are all decimal fractions because here in denominator they have 10, 100 and 1000. So the fractions in which denominators are 10, 100, 1000 they are known as decimal fractions. The next point is the dot in a decimal representation is called decimal point. Now here children 0.356, this point is known as decimal point. Again in the next number if you see children, you will find 1.763. This point is nothing but decimal point. Now here fifth number point. The numbers written in decimal forms are called as decimal numbers or simply they are called as decimals. Now children, here the next topic is tenths. Tenths, if we divide one complete whole into 10 equal parts, each part is called 1/10 and is written as 1 by 10 in fractional form, and in decimal form it is written as 0.1. Now children, let me explain you what is this. See here, if you divide this whole in 10 equal parts and out of that equal parts only one part is shaded, then its fractional form will be what children? Out of 10 parts, only one part is shaded. So its fractional form will be 1 by 10 and its decimal form is 0.1. Now here children, the next topic is hundredth. Now here see, there are in all in this square 100 equal parts. If we divide a square in 100 equal parts and out of that only one part is shaded, then its fractional form will be 1 upon 100 because out of 100 parts only one part is shaded, and the decimal form of 100 is 0.01. Because here in this children, the number of parts shaded will be written as numerator and the total number of parts will be written as denominator. Now here in the above example you see children, only one part is shaded, so we will write it here in numerator, and the total number of parts here are 100, so we will write 100 in denominator. Now children, the next topic is reading and writing of decimal numbers. Now children, a decimal number has two parts. One, whole part, and second, decimal part separated by a decimal point or a dot. Now suppose this will we will understand with the following example. Now see children, here 3.67. Now children, this is known as decimal point, and the number written to the left side of the decimal point is called whole part. See here, the number to the left side of the decimal point is called whole part, and children, the number written at the right side of the decimal point is called decimal part. And children, how to read this number? We will say here 3.67. Children, always we have to read the decimal part digit wise. Here we will not say 67. We will say 67. This decimal part is always read digit wise. 3.67. Now children, taking the other example, if I ask you how you will read this number. Now children, before decimal, this is before part, isn't it, before decimal point. This part will be read as same as we have learnt earlier, but always read the decimal part digit wise. So children, here we will read the number 392.79. The decimal part will be read as digit wise, and this part we will read as we have learned earlier. So children, if you suppose to write this number in words, you will write it as 392.79. This part we will read as we have learned earlier, but this part, decimal part, will be read digit wise. Now see children, here the next example, 18.05. In this way we are going to read and write the decimal numbers. Now children, converting fractions into decimals, that we will see in the next video.